Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite. And to do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Right here, try to find the Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no real results that we can download. And to fix this issue, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings and enter family. Now go for parental controls and either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back and try to find the game again, it should be right here and you can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.